Recently, I was asked how to add contacts to a group that's been created if they're not already part of your contact list. So I'd like to walk you through how to do that. I'm at the D2Apps Jump page, so I'm going to go to the Contacts environment. And for this tutorial, let's just go ahead and start from scratch. So I'm going to start by creating my group. I'm just going to maximize my window there. So I'm going to create a group first by going up to the New Group button. And for this example, I'm going to create an Elementary Librarians group. So I'll type in Elementary Librarians and click OK. And now I need to populate that group. Excuse me. I'm using an account that doesn't have any contacts in it just to show you how this would work. The easiest way to add contacts, if they're not already part of your contact list from Billings Public Schools, is to do a search. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to search for someone that I know is not part of my contacts that I want to add into my group. I'm going to use Ruth Ferris as an example. So when I search for Ruth, who's an elementary librarian, the result pops up for the Billings Public Schools directory, and notice there's one contact that meets that criteria. When I select Ruth's name, over on the right-hand side it shows me the email addresses that are associated with her name. I can then come up to Groups and add her to any group that I've created. In this example, Elementary Librarians. You can see that Elementary Librarians has now been populated with one contact. What if I have someone, however, that I don't know their full name, or maybe they use a nickname for their first name? I can think of Ginny Waples as this example. I don't know if Ginny is really her first name, so I'll just type her last name and hit search. Up pops the Billings Public Schools directory, and there she is. Notice that she uses a nickname, but in the listing it uses her full name. When I select that, it gives me the email accounts associated with her name. I can come up to Groups and add her to the Elementary Librarians group. Just a quick note, you can do this for anyone, whether they're in your contacts or not in your contacts. What happens if they're already in your contacts is they show up in a location just like this. It says My Contacts, and then their information is listed below. So if you have a contact that's already been added to your contact list with perhaps a personal email address, or maybe you've added other phone numbers or other information about them, you could use that contact and add them to your group as well. So this is how you add contacts to a group, whether they're in your contact list or just part of the Billings Public Schools directory.